Howdy, Don here from Good Guys Gardening, here to discuss the Remo fertilizer line. In 30 plus years of growing, this is the easiest and most productive new line I've come across. You use milliliters instead of ounces, saving money, and you don't have to add anything to the system, saving even more. The 7-part program is designed to fill all of your crop's needs start to finish. In grow, it provides for extraordinary root and plant growth with none of the lockup or burn associated with any of the other high performance food lines. In bloom, you won't believe the growth and trichome production. This line will allow you to reach maximum values for the strain you grow, both in volume and quality. Tune in next week when I discuss the individual products in this line. Thanks for watching, and remember, when you need gardening products or information, come to Good Guys Gardening, not just a name.